All right, welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. And you might be wondering why it's been a couple weeks since I've created content and published it on this channel. But guess what? I've been out there hustling, and I'm fixing to show you how much money I actually made in one day on Black Friday. It was either Cyber Monday or Black Friday. We'll have to look at that. But how I was able to make over $1,900 with just one affiliate marketing technique. And I'm going to show you that in this video. I've got the proof to show you right now. So we're going to actually log in, and I can go over here and click on payouts right here. And you'll see from November 23rd to November 29th, this is called Impact right here. And what Impact is it's a company that hosts hundreds or even thousands of affiliate programs inside of it. So they're responsible for doing all of the paying out of affiliates and so forth for software companies, for brands, like Nike and JC Penney's and just all kinds of software. And, you can see up here, Canva affiliate program is managed under Impact. So this is a really big one. This is my favorite one that I've made a lot of money with. But I can show you right now, I've done over $18,000 in revenue for one company, and I made over $4,000, right? So that would be, if I literally just pushed the last 7 days, $4,000. And you can see that I had a 24% conversion rate, which is super, super high. And an EPC, that's basically every time someone clicked on, every time I had someone click on an affiliate link, it was worth $7.58. So these are pretty high numbers. It's only 87 sales. It's not a lot. And we brought in a lot of sales. But when we come through and we look at this, some of these numbers, if I click on payouts, you'll see this massive day. I mean, we were having some really nice days at $595 here, $719 there, some of my biggest days. And then boom, right out of the gates, right there on November 28th. I'm going to go in here real quick. So November 28th was actually super interesting, but that was actually Tuesday. That was the day after Cyber Monday, but the sale was still going on. So that was really what drove this accumulation of a bunch of content. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did this to get to this biggest number I ever had with this affiliate program, which was $1,926 in one day. How did I do that? Well, I'm going to show you that in just a second. But before I do that, if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing and combine the power of YouTube and affiliate marketing and have me teach you exactly what I do, I don't leave anything out. It's almost like you're getting one-on-one coaching with me. That's how good my community is. And that's how much of the golden nuggets that I'm actually giving away in my community called Six Figure Freedom Club. You're welcome to go check this out. We've got webinars scheduled. I've already got December's webinar 1 is happening in 7 days. If you want to sign up right now, you don't want to miss that. And the cost of this is only $27 to join, and it's per month. It's a thriving community. We already have 35 members in here right now, and you can see that we have a lot of interaction. We have people building websites in here sharing what they're doing. We have people asking about questions about software that we can answer. The community jumping in here. We have someone right over here that was struggling with their, creating their first faceless YouTube video. And so we have all these members that step in and help out, right? We got people asking me AppSumo questions. We have people just saying happy Thanksgiving, right? It's a great, thriving community. You want to join. We have 30-day video creation challenges right here. We have webinars, and of course we have the classroom, which is amazing. The YT Affiliate Blueprint, this has never been available. You guys have bought my courses before. I've sold a lot of different courses and so forth. I'm a top affiliate on Warrior Plus and JVZoo, and I'm one of AppSumo's top affiliates. They actually created an affiliate program kind of around me. It's called the Ambassador program, and I'm one of those top affiliates. And so I can teach you how to do these things, right? With even small YouTube channels where you don't even have to get on camera. I'm choosing to be on camera on this channel. That's just something that I'm choosing to do. But all my other channels are faceless. I just push record, and all you need is a voice, your microphone, and to record the screen. And then the rest is history, right? But we have some really awesome content in here never shared before. And it's fresh course that if you take this course right here, it's going to take you step by step what to do, and you're going to be able to jump right in. Okay. Then we always have the calendar right over here. We've completed our first 2 webinars. And then we have our next schedule. The next 2 weeks, this is a great time to join, because the next 2 weeks, December 6th and December 13th, I'm going to be doing back-to-back webinars those weeks. And so that we don't have any webinars or live training calls, whatever you want to call them, around the holidays, right? So then we'll actually resume the next month in January. So this is a great time to jump in, start familiarizing yourself, and be there for these webinars. So you can actually go out there and start building a real thriving YouTube affiliate marketing business. We have leaderboards and unlock different pieces of content and so forth. And you can see we have a lot of people that are engaged in the community. Finally, I've also, just to put my money where my mouth is, created a brand new channel. And this is a case study right here that you get access to, showing you from start to finish with 0 subscribers how to build one of these faceless YouTube channels. And I teach it different than everybody else. We're not talking about stock footage and all the other motivation channels and sleep music channels and all those. We're not doing that. We're doing something different, where it's way faster to create and way cheaper to create our videos. And then finally, you have access to all the live webinars as well. Okay, so enough spiel on that. It's been a while, but I really wanted to show you that the community is taking off, and we are having a really good time in the community. We're having a lot of good testimonies and things like that. So really, really awesome stuff, okay? So we already shown you what this looks like when you actually come in here and you make $1,926 in one day. I can actually go up here and push refresh right up here, just so you know that this is actually my account. This is my Impact account. It even says my name up here, David Mills. And you can see November 29th through November 23rd through the 29th right over here. And then if I actually come over here just to show you, and I'm not doing this to brag, I'm just showing you this, that you should be listening to people teaching you affiliate marketing that actually go out and do this. And they have other YouTube channels where they directly do direct affiliate marketing, and they can teach you how to do all these different things instead of just telling you to go and, create a PDF and then go and spam Quora and get clicks and stuff like that. That stuff's not going to make any kind of life-changing income. And you and I both know that. But if you stick to a game plan and you actually create a high quality YouTube channel, then it will reward you, and you will be able to leave your job if you actually follow the right steps. Okay. So I'm going to click over here on last 30 days over here, and you can see this is a really big month. I brought in $31,000, almost $32,000. Payouts is over $6,000, and it's a high conversion rate, and that's just from one affiliate account. This isn't all the money that I've made, obviously, but this is just showing you one of the methods that I use. And I'm going to say this month, I think it's higher. Yeah, it's $32,000 this month in November, $6,500 right there. Boom. And then you can even say right over here that we're already at almost $300 on our account today. And this is just a nice Thursday, nothing special about today, right? Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this. Well, one thing, I went over here, and you guys know my other YouTube channel, it's called LearnWire, and I do software reviews. Now, you can go out and copy me. You can go out there and it's not always best. I don't recommend just going out and copying someone, because it usually, in my experience, I've been making money online for the last 15 years. In my experience, blatantly copying somebody never gets you anywhere. It really just doesn't. So you do want to kind of form your own way, but you can follow in somebody's footsteps, or you can follow a model that worked for somebody and replicate it, but completely blatantly copying someone, it's just not going to work. So, but you could use this for inspiration, because I'm going to show you how we can go and find any software we want and go and do this. Okay. But you can see over here under videos, you'll see that I did a video right here, got 1,100 views. I did another review right here. I did another review. I did another review. This isn't an AppSumo review. This one's not an AppSumo review. I made a bunch of sales off this one right over here. You guys know Link Whisperer. It's a great internal link building software as well. They had a great software sale for Black Friday. So I put out a quick video on it. But you can see I put the work in. 33-minute video, 25-minute video there, 45-minute video right there. Some people don't like those. I really don't care. They can go and watch somebody else's content, is the way that I feel about it. I do deep dives. I'm very honest in my reviews. And then at the end of the day, when I don't like the software, I just kind of tell them, tell it like it is. I don't really like the software. We can see over here, Okoya, this software's been out for 3 years, and I really want to like this software, but I only give it a 3-star. I don't really recommend the software. And then even the vendor or the creator, the developer of the software, got on here and tried to kind of defend their software and so forth. But there's a lot of people that are frustrated about the software and the many things that they've promised and didn't deliver on over the last few years. And so even honest reviews that are not selling the software. And that's what can separate you, is being unbiased and being honest in your reviews. But look, just a video after video after video after video after video after video. Over the last, look at all these. This is where I really started the Black Friday Blitz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 videos that week. Really kind of launched this traffic in order to come back over here and get this much traffic, right? When we come back over here and look at all these different days, and it's not a lot of traffic. I mean, we're looking at almost 1,300 clicks this month, but if we go over the last like 7 days or so, the clicks are only 363 clicks, but look at the conversion rate. Look, it doesn't take a whole lot of clicks or sales when they are high quality clicks. And you have an audience that's interested in this stuff. They're going to go and buy it, especially when there's a sale around it, right? And you're going to make some really good money with this stuff. It doesn't require, when you have, my point is that when you have quality traffic and you've put in the work to build an audience, and that's what I teach in Six Figure Freedom Club. When you put in that time to build a real audience that knows, likes, and trusts you, it doesn't take a whole lot. You're not selling anything. You don't have to convince them of anything. You're just showing them a tool. They're going to see you using the tool, getting results, and then they're going to go and buy, especially when there's an extra nudge, 10%, 20% off or something like that. So again, you don't have to have thousands of clicks or views in order to achieve this kind of money when you have very targeted views. Okay. So really cool stuff. So there's the proof right there. I just did a content blitz. I put my head down and got to work, and it does require work. If you guys want to make this happen and work from home and so forth, of course you could go and hire someone to go and do these videos. They probably wouldn't do as good of a job as you. And it's going to cost a ton of money. I don't know if you've gone to Fiverr and tried to hire someone to do a screen recording. I sure have went and researched it, but people are charging like $200 or $300 to do like an 8-minute screen recording video. So it wouldn't be sustainable, right? And it wouldn't be worth it for you to hire someone or outsource someone to do this. Build your own channel, get a microphone. You don't even have to be on the screen or even in the lower right-hand corner. You don't even have to do that. You can just record, because people are interested in the content and the tutorial that you're offering. But you do have to work. That's one thing that's missing about all these, one click, make $1,000 and every 30 seconds. I can't stand those videos. And those are the videos that get all the views, and they leave you feeling like you've got taken advantage of. You just wasted an entire day or maybe even a week of work on a concept that we already know is not going to work. The only way that's going to actually work for you to make this affiliate marketing thing work is to build an audience. And in order to build an audience, you've got to create content. You've got to become a content creator, okay? Let me show you how to do that by you joining the Six Figure Freedom Club. First link below, go and join. So I created all this content. I got this this traffic. It launched me into making that $1,900 day. If I go click on the payouts, that $1,926 day right there. And then of course we had some other big days, $600, $719 there, boom. So what could you do if you weren't going to go after, obviously I was selling AppSumo products, but we can come over here, we can go into brands and we can find brands. Look at this. We can go and do all kinds of different research. There is a ton of brands. Does it give us the amount in here? I mean, it's hundreds or thousands of brands. We can go and look for categories. We can go in and whatever you are looking at, look at just apps right here. Look at all these different apps. There's 192 apps in here that we can go and find something right over here. And you can go and do a little bit of research and find out if people actually search for that. And you can sign up to be an affiliate by just clicking on apply. You're going to write a little note in here and you're going to push apply. Go and apply to all these programs. You're going to start getting accepted to some of them, and then you can start doing reviews on them. Another great way to do this, guys, is to go over to a site called Futurepedia. And this is where you can come in here and you can actually research what are the latest softwares that are coming out in different, and there's different categories over here. Whatever you're into, audio editing, right here, we click on audio editing, we go and look at the tools for audio editing, and then we go and check it out. We go and see, okay, so Cast Magic, that one's cool. And I don't, this one used to be on AppSumo, but it's a great product. It's like Opus Clip or Munch, where it chops up your long form content. And so you could come over here and you could go visit Cast-O-Magic, right? So Cast-O-Magic, and just go find, and I like to go and do a little research. How much visitors are they getting? They've blown up. There are 150,000 visitors right here. This software is taking off. They're marketing. And then what you can do is you can scroll to the bottom and see if they have an affiliate program. And right over here, look, like clockwork, guys, affiliate program. And this, I'm doing this video unscripted. I don't script my videos. I'm showing you this live. I just picked this product and it has an affiliate program. You'd go sign up right here. You get 30% revenue share for the first 18 months for every sale made. Boom. So you'd go and fill that out. You'd probably want to subscribe to the product. I'd come over here and I'd look at pricing real quick. Go pricing right over here, and for $23 a month, and you could go and just dominate this Cast-O-Magic, and you know how to create YouTube shorts, how to create TikTok videos, all these different from long form content. You could blow up your channel in a month. You just pay $23 right here and blow up, create 20 or 30 videos that month on just this one software alone, and then move on to the next software. Like, there's so much you can do with this, guys. The sky is the limit. And always go over here and then go and just check, like right over here. I'm going to go type in Cast-O-Magic right over here, and we're going to see if this is available. Now, this deal is not available right here, but it might be for this. They came back for Black Friday, but they're no longer available. But there is Black Friday extended access. I want to see if they're part of this. The extended access, they are not. So Cast-O-Magic, really cool. They used to be on AppSumo, but always go. Oh yeah, Cast-O-Magic is similar to Chopcast. You could go and get Chopcast right now as well. It's a similar software as well, just a tip right there. So that's how I do it, guys. Go and join Six Figure Freedom Club so you can finally quit the shiny object syndrome that you've been a part of for however long you've been a part of it. And if you're not making, you know, $1,000 or $2,000 a month right now, you need a launch, you need a change, and you need to join somebody that's willing to actually teach you how to do this so you can actually start making real money, life-changing money, so you can actually go out and pay your bills and eventually fire your boss and do this full time. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.